Hello everybody. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the internal battery in a Hyundai Azera key fob. This particular key fob was used between 2015 and 2017, and inside we'll find the CR2032 battery. These batteries are really inexpensive. You can get them online. I'll put a link in the description if you want to buy that on Amazon so that you can follow along and replace this battery. First things first, let's press on this button to remove your internal key. Put that to the side. And now looking in, we can see this is the hole where the battery, the key just came from, and right over here there's this little groove. I'm going to show you how with a flathead screwdriver you can go right in here, insert it, excuse me, and with a little bit of force you can twist like so, creating a little bit of separation on the side. And you can finish off with your fingers, or you can insert your tool again down the groove and just twist. There we go, we are inside. And here's our battery. It might be difficult for you to remove it with your fingers. For me, it is. So I'm going to use a little precision screwdriver here. As you can see, a larger screwdriver isn't really going to help. If you have a toothpick lying around or something else about this size, it should be really easy. This is just a set of precision screwdrivers. You can get it on Amazon. I'll leave a link for that if you're interested in that. So now, on the bottom of the key fob here, this is the bottom side, top right of what we're looking at, we're going to insert this tool and just pry it out. And you can see, once we can fit inside there, I'll show you again, it really just pops out with little effort. So just in this little group, this little area over here, just pry it out. And take your new CR2032, put the bottom in first. Oops, do that again. Just slide it into the metal component here before clicking it into place like that. Make sure it's in nicely. Take the other side with make sure the circuit board is securely in there, and just click it back together. Now you're all set. You've changed the battery and you're good to go. That's all it takes to change your battery in your Hyundai Azera key fob. Thank you for watching.